Ever wondered how to create stunning videos in just minutes? Let me show you how with Canva. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of video creating with Canva. If you have ever wanted to make professional looking videos quickly and easily, you are in the right place. I will guide you step by step through the process so you can start grabs attention. Let's get started. So first of all, all I have to do is open my browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows anyone to create stunning visuals, including social media, graphics, presentations, posters, and videos with its drag and drop interface, extensive library of templates, images, and fonts. Canva simplifies the design process, making it accessible to beginners and professionals alike. It offers a variety of tools for customization and also enabling users to create personalized content for various purposes, from marketing to personal projects. So first of all, you have just to sign up. So you have to write your email address and your password. Then you get started with Canva. So you'll find this page after you sign up. So here you have it. So right now I will show you how you can get started. You have just to select Canva templates and select short videos YouTube. So we have here some examples like this one or this one. So we have here 20,000 templates. You select the one you want and then you get started with Canva. So all I have to do right now is just click over all filters. Then you choose the categories that you want. For example, we have here businesses like that. We have business here like documents, presentations, whiteboard, business cards, flyers, prototypes, menu maps, websites, graphs, planners, letterheads, calendars, resumes, invoice, proposals, reports. Then we have social media here, such as Instagram posts, Instagram stories, Instagram reels, Facebook covers, TikTok videos, Pinterest. Then we have also education, such as subject, grade, resource type. Then we have video, like video, mobile video messages, and we have YouTube video. I will select this one. Then we have your marketing, like flyers, logos, posters, brochures, menus, and we have newsletter also. Then we have your print products like photos and gifts, cards and invites, and other things. Then we have also cards and invitations such as cards, postcards, invitations. Then we have formats, style, language, theme, feature, grade, subject. Then we have topic, and then we have here price. I will select the free one. Then I will click over apply. Once you do that, you will find these examples. We have here 1,860 templates. So I will select, for example, this one. Once you do that, you click over customize this template. As you can see. So let's come back here in the home. We have various information like design spotlight, business, education, plans and pricing. Then we have learn and also other information like content and represent everyone. Then we have are you the next Canva represents artist. Then we have our long-term commitment to diversity. You can just read this information to more understand and we get started with Canva. So right now I will show you how you can design your short videos on YouTube. We have here thanks for watching. So I will delete this one. Alright, for example, thanks for subscribe or other things. Then I will add, for example, here I will just click over text here and I will click over add a text box and I will write, for example, here don't forget to comment and subscribe. And I will add, for example, the color, the size, and I will put it here. put it here, for example. Then I will just delete this one, and then I will write, for example, put it here, and I will write, for example, subscribe here or other things. Then you can also select the color. Have just to click over here and you edit whatever you want. We have also here page here remover, and we have here photo style, corner round, then we have crop, flip, then we have here also transparency, tumble, position, and we have also copy style. Then you have your magic write, and also add your brand fonts, add a hidden, add a super hidden, and we have add a little bit of body text. Then also we have your recently used, for example, font combination. I will select this one, or also this one. Then also we have your branding. You can add logos, and then we have upload. You can upload videos, audio, or images. Also we have a draw. If you want to draw something here, like I will write here Canva, so it can, you have to be professional. I'll write it like that. So we have your Canva, and if you just click over here and you will find my short videos. Then if you want to come back, click over here, and here we have it. That's how it looks firstly. So this is it. You can just get started as soon as possible, and just you choose the one you want, and then you modify it and you design, and you get started with Canva. So thanks for watching, guys. Now you know how to create stunning videos using Canva. Even if you are complete beginner, remember the key is to experiment and have fun with your designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations in the comments. Happy designing! So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.